Here's a subjective key performance indicator that we like to use at a minimum once a year. We call it the performance attitude grid. And starting at the bottom left down there, you see Karen from Will and Grace. And what we're measuring here is obviously whether they have a good attitude or a poor attitude, or whether they're a good performer or a bad performer. She's a pretty poor performer and she's got a terrible attitude. And if you have some of those type people within your firm, you've got to get them out. And then there's the Betty White character on Golden Girls, who's a poor performer, but a really great attitude. So what should we do with team members that fall into that category? We should encourage them. We should work with them. We should try to find a place for them if at all possible, because they're the ones that can intrinsically lift your culture and make it a better place to work. You see Jimmy Fallon up there, loves what he does, just a great performer and with a great attitude. So we need to encourage them, to keep them going, to keep them doing what they need to do. But the next one in the top left is a really tough one. This is Hugh Laurie from House, brilliant doctor. He gets great results, but his bedside manner rivals a donkey. You know, it just doesn't, it's not good. And the show depicts it as he is a really good doctor and things always seem to work out. But in the real world, when you have these type team members who are high performers but have a terrible attitude, they break all the rules, sometimes they become very toxic. And our experience is you have to really look at these team members hard, and potentially they may not fit your organization. We've seen firms that let some top performers go with a terrible attitude, and within a matter of weeks, everyone in the firm has picked up the slack and really working better. When you have those toxic team members on your team, it can be really bad.